हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल केजी फिजिक्स क्लासेस। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द टॉपिक कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर हैविंग कंडक्टिंग स्लैब बिटवीन इट्स प्लेट्स। Suppose a parallel plate capacitor having the plate area capital A and the distance between the plates small d. Surface charge density of the capacitor is sigma. When the plus q charge is given to the first plates of the capacitor, it will distribute on the both faces of the plate. Due to this induction, this plate will acquire minus q charge at this face and plus q charge at the right face. When this plate is earthed, then the positive charge on this face will be neutralized by the electrons coming from the earth. Now, the electric field between the plates of the capacitor E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. We know that from the Gauss theorem, but sigma is equal to q upon A. So, E is equal to q upon A epsilon naught. It is the electric field between the plates of the capacitor. Now, a conducting slab of thickness T, small t, such that T is less than D. It means the conducting slab is partially filled between the plates. Conducting slab of thickness small t. Due to the induction, minus q will introduce at this face and plus q at this face. Since the charge is distributed over the upper surface of the conducting slab, so there will be no charge inside it. Hence, the electric field inside the conducting slab will be zero. Suppose in this gap the electric field is E1 and inside the conducting slab it is E2. Okay, so we may write here it is E1. Now, the total potential across the plates of the capacitor, V. Potential across the plates of the capacitor. V is equal to, we know that V is equal to E into D, electric field into the distance up to which the electric field works. Here, the electric field works for this distance and this distance. So, E1 into the distance up to which the electric field E1 works, it will be D minus T plus E2 up to the distance T. On putting the values of E1 and E2, we get E1 q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus E2 0. So, V is equal to q upon A epsilon naught D minus T. It is the potential across the plates of the capacitor. Now, the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, C is equal to q upon V, q upon V V की वैल्यू पुट करें. On putting the value of V, C is equal to Q upon, here the V, Q D minus T A epsilon naught. Cancel out. So C is equal to A epsilon naught D minus T. It is the capacitance of the capacitor having conducting slab partially filled between its plates. Now, if this conducting slab fills the whole separation between the plates, then case first, when T is equal to D, this conducting slab fills the whole separation between the plates of the capacitor. So T is equal to D, hence C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D minus D. Cancel out something upon 0, so C becomes infinite. So in this condition, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor will become infinite.